Good morning students. In the last class we were discussing simplification of POS expressions using K-map. Let us see some more examples on it. F of ABCD is equal to pi of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 14. So total 4 variables are there, pi is there, so it is a POS expression. Now four variable POS K-map. Easily these max terms. Let us write min terms first. We all familiar with the min terms, no? A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB, A, B bar. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ POS ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. A ಪ್ಲಸ್ B, A ಪ್ಲಸ್ B ಬಾರ್, A ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ B ಬಾರ್, A ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ B. Now erase it. Repeat the same pattern here with the different literals. A plus B, here C plus D. Now C plus D, C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. You can cross check the numbers, you'll get the same numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. Next, in the given number, in the respective box we must write a 0 because it is POS, no? 0, 6, 8, 9, 10, 14. Can we make octet from this? No. Quad, it's also not possible. So we can make pair here. First we have to check exact pair. 7 also there. Exact pair. This is an exact pair. It is exact pair. This is also exact pair. And I'll make group with this. Because with that 0 I can't do octet, quad and pair. So I have to combine with this group. You can combine with this also. I combine with this group. Now F of from, I'll take this is pair 1, this is pair 2, this is pair 3 and this is pair 4. From pair 1, this is pair 1, the max terms are A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Next, A bar plus B, C bar plus C bar plus D. That is equal to B bar get cancelled, A bar remained, A bar plus C bar plus D, A bar plus C bar plus D. Next, from pair 2, which is pair 2, this is A bar plus B, A bar plus B plus C plus D, A bar plus B plus C plus D bar. Now D bar get cancelled, A bar plus B plus C. From pair 3, A plus B bar plus C plus D bar, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar, that is equal to A plus B bar plus C bar get cancelled, D bar remain, D bar. From pair 4, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D, A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D, that is equal to A bar get cancelled, B bar remain, C bar plus D, B bar plus C bar plus D. Therefore, the answer is f of A, B, C, D is equal to A bar plus C bar plus D bar into A bar plus B plus C into A plus B bar plus D bar into B bar plus C bar plus D. This is the final answer. Next one. F of A, B, C, D is equal to delta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 12, 13, 11 and 15. Now 4 variable POSK map. Delta is there, no? Delta is also a shorthand notation. A plus B, C plus D. Now 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10, sorry 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. 0, 0, 0, 4, 5, 7, 9, 12, 13, 11 and 15. Can we make octet? Yes, we can make octet here. This is an octet. Can we make octet from the remaining zeros? No, we can't make octet from the remaining zeros. Can we make quad? We can't make, only with the remaining zeros. Can we make quad by regrouping or by redundant group? Yes, we can make. This is quad. See, in the test you have written what is mean by quad, what is mean by octet pair. So you have written 4 adjacent what? 4 adjacents, ones or zeros you have to write there. Some of you have written only 4 adjacent in a SOP, in a K-map, like that you had written. 4 adjacent 1 0 anta baribeku alli. 4 adjacents 1 or 4 adjacent 0 in the K-map. With this one, can we make octet? No. Can we make quad? No. So we can make pair here. This is pair. Now let us write the max terms here. From octet, B bar into A plus B plus C bar plus D bar into A plus B bar plus C plus D bar into A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar then this term A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar A bar plus B plus C plus D bar into A bar plus B plus C bar plus D bar, that is equal to, everything get cancelled from this side, B bar, B bar, B bar, B, A bar get cancelled, here C bar get cancelled, D bar remain, D bar, from quad this is A plus B bar plus C plus D into A plus B bar plus C plus D bar A bar plus B bar plus C plus D into A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Sometimes the complement can be given like this, B bar like this. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೇ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಥರನೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, B dash. A bar get cancelled, B bar remain. C bar get cancelled, D bar remain. So B bar plus D bar is the answer. Remaining thing is pair. From pair, A plus B plus C bar plus D bar, I'll write here, A plus B plus C bar plus D bar, A plus B plus C bar plus D, D bar get cancelled, C bar remain, A plus B plus C bar, F of A, B, C, D is equal to D bar into B bar plus D bar into A plus B plus C bar. If they ask construct a logic circuit for the reduced expression, you have to construct. I'll show here. Total how many variables? 4 variables. So 4 input lines we have to consider, A, B, C, D. Now the input line B has to give to NOT gate so that it becomes a B bar. I want D bar, C bar, so we have to take a NOT gate and C is the input, and we have to give D as an input to this NOT gate, so we'll get a D bar. Now D bar is a single term, let it, B bar plus D bar is there. Between these two input gates, B bar and D bar, so these two are the inputs to OR gate, plus is there, it's a logical OR operation, B bar, D bar, B bar plus D bar. Next, A B plus C bar, 3 input OR gate, A plus B plus C bar. So it becomes A plus B plus C bar and D bar. Now these three are the inputs to AND gate. So it gives D bar into B bar plus D bar into A plus B plus C bar. Next, f of w x y z is equal to m1 dot m3 dot m5 dot m7 dot m9 m11 m13 m2 m6. So these are all max terms. So POS came at W plus X, Y plus Z. W plus X, now we shall write zeros in the respective boxes. 0, 0, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 2, 6. Can we make octet? No, we can't make. Can we make quad? Yes, we can make quad. This is one quad. Next, we can make This is another quad. This is quad 1. This is quad 2. And this is quad 3. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಸಿ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ 2 quads here and only 1 0 left here. So using this we can't make octet, we can make quad by grouping with this existing group. So we'll get 3 quads. And remaining boxes, in the remaining boxes we have to write 1. From quad 1, you have to write all the max terms here. W plus X plus Y plus Z bar, W plus X bar plus Y plus Z bar, W bar plus X bar plus Y plus Z bar, W bar plus X plus Y plus Z bar, that is equal to X bar cancel, W bar, Y plus Z bar remain. From quad 2, W plus X plus Y bar plus Z bar, W plus X plus Y bar plus Z, W plus X bar plus Y bar plus Z bar, W plus X bar plus Y bar plus Z, here X bar get cancelled, W remain, plus from these two terms Z bar get cancelled, Y bar remain. Now the final answer is F of W X Y Z is equal to Y plus Z bar into W plus Y bar into sorry, I did not write one more quad is there, no? This one. From quad 3, W bar plus X plus Y plus Z bar, W bar plus X plus Y bar plus Z bar into first one W plus X plus Y plus Z bar, W plus X plus Y bar plus Z bar, that is equal to, from these two terms W bar cancel, X bar remain, here Y bar get cancelled, Z bar remain, from the X plus Z bar, X plus Z bar. So the final answer becomes Y plus Z bar into W plus Y bar into X plus Z bar. I hope you understood how to simplify a given Boolean expression using K-map, whether it is SOP or K-map, sorry, POS. Next chapter, logic gates. I have already explained some of the concepts in a Boolean algebra chapter, because we need those concepts, because we have to construct logic circuit and we have to simplify using OR operation and AND operation. So some of the concepts of this chapter I already explained, still I explain from the beginning. So first, what is meant by logic gate? Logic gate is nothing but it is an electronic circuit. It takes input signals, one or more input signals, and it gives single output signal. Okay, let us write the definition. Logic gate. It is an electronic circuit. Electronic. It takes one or more input signals and produce an output signal. So logic gates are classified into two types. One is basic gate, classification of logic gates, classification of logic gates. Basic gates, second derived gates, first what are the gates comes under basic gates? AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, they are basic gates. AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And derived gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. Some other gates also there, other gates, XOR and XNOR. Let us discuss one by one. ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಆ ಥರನೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್. It takes one or more input signals and produce output signal. If all input signals are high, then output signal is low. Output signal is high. Otherwise, the output signal is low. In this way, you have to write the explanation. It is a logic gate. It operates on one or more input signals, two or more input signals and gives, later I'll write that, operates on two or more input signals when all input signals all input signals are high. In digital, in binary value, how to write 1. Then the output signal is high. Otherwise, the output is low. Output is low. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, typically we have taken 2 input AND gate, AB, A dot B. Algebraic notation, A dot B. What is the output of AND gate ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ A dot B ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. First you consider input, then output. AB, A dot B, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. And Venn diagram, ಇದು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೈಲ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ವೆನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಹೈ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಹೈ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಹೈ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಹೈ ಕೇಸ್ನ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ or same explanation, it is a logic gate, it operates on 2 or more input signals, and when all inputs illinda change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. when all input signals are low, then output is low. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೋ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೈ. When first you need to write that explanation, later you have to write it. When all inputs are, why I am taking all, don't write when 2 inputs are atra ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟಿಪಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು 2 input gate, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. that's why in general we have to write when all inputs are low, then output is low. Output is low. Otherwise, output is high. Now, logic symbol. This is the logic symbol. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆಂಗೋ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ, ದೆನ್ algebraic notation, a plus b. What is the output of OR gate? a plus b. ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ a plus b. that is logical addition ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, input and output. AB, this is a plus b now. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. As per the rule, as per the definition, when all inputs are low, then output is low. Otherwise, output is high. ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಕೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ high. And Venn diagram becomes, you already know how to write the Venn diagram. In which cases the output is high? When any one of these inputs are high or both inputs are high. That's why if A is high, then also output is high. B is high, then also, and both are high, then also output is high. Next, NOT gate. NOT gate is the only gate which takes only one input. It gives the complement of a given input. NOT gate. It's a logic gate. It operates on single input signal, single input. When input is low, then output is high. Vice versa. When input is high, then output is low. You have to write the statement. It is also called inverter because it complements the given input. It is also called, it is very important, it is also called as inverter. Which gate is also called as inverter? NOT gate. What is the other name of NOT gate? Inverter. Like that question will arise. Inverter. So the logic symbol is, this is the logic symbol, A bar. Algebraic notation, A bar. Venn diagram. If you consider this is a high, that is A, and this is A bar. Truth table. You should not write TT, you have to write full word, truth table. Input, output. If input is A, output is A bar. 0, 1, 1, 0. In this way you have to give the explanation. Next, derived gates. NAND gate and NOR gates are called derived gates. These gates are derived from, NAND gate is derived from AND gate and OR gate. Sorry, AND gate and NOT gate, and NOR gate from OR gate and NOT gate. Derived gates. See, what is derived gates? What are derived gates? NAND gate and NOR gates are called derived gates. These two gates are constructed by the combination of basic gates. NAND gate is constructed by the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. NOR gate is constructed by OR gate and NOT gate. It is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. It is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. It takes two or more input signals. It takes two or more input signals when all inputs are high, then output is low. Then output is low. output is high. Logic symbol, this is the standard symbol. A dot B whole bar. Algebraic notation, A dot B whole bar. What is the output of NAND gate? A dot B whole bar. Truth table, input, output, A, B, this is A dot B whole bar. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. See, as per the rule, when all inputs are high, then output is low, and remaining cases output is high. Next, NOR gate. It's a combination of OR and NOT gate. It takes two or more input signals. When all inputs are in NOR gate, you imagine OR gate. What is the output of OR gate? When all inputs are low, then output is low. Here, when all input signals are low, then output is high. Opposite to that. Otherwise, output is low. So, this is logic symbol, A plus B whole bar, and algebraic notation is A plus B whole bar. What is the output of NOR gate? A plus B whole bar. Now, from this, when all inputs are low, then output is high, and remaining cases output is low. I hope you understood basic gates and derived gates. In the next class, I'll discuss other gates, that is XOR gate and XNOR gate. Thank you.